Hello traders. Today I'm going to start a market update video. I am in the weekly time frame. First of all, I need to told you this is not a financial advice video. This is entertainment purpose. So we can see many trend lines, and now oh, you can see this red trend line, and market is respect this trend line many times. So you can see this trend line started 2017, and this trend line has many touch point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 trend line, 5 touch points, and this trend line break but not confirm this breakout. So now you can see a curve trend line, and this trend line has 1, 2, 3, 4 touch points, and you can see a white trend line. This white trend line has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touch points, and market is respected this trend lines. So now you can see a create a bearish candle, but not create this candle yet. This candle is creating. We can see after 2 days and 9 hours this candle will create. So then we can get a decision after this candle create. So now we can move to daily time frame. So market is respect this red trend line. This is a huge resistance area. So now we can apply the RSI indicator, and actually now not a bearish divergence or anything. So now we can apply volume. So not a clear decision now, and we can hide this volume, and we can apply fixed range volume profile, and we can apply this swing low and this swing high, and market is coming to point of control area. This is a huge volume coming this area, and market was rejected this volume area below. So now we can delete the volume profile, and next we can move to Ethereum chart. Actually Ethereum is bearish chart. Ethereum market is very bearish. There is a huge resistance area, and market react this area 3 times, and market is coming this level, and I have a short position this ETH, and I get this profit this area 4,200 200 and 4,300 value. I close this my trade, and so next move to XRP chart. Actually I got to trade this area and using paper money, and actually I this not create my real dollars, and I use fake money. Now you can see a candlestick pattern. This candlestick pattern is I'm not remember this name. So therefore I this candlestick pattern. So I put a short position this area, and next move to Solana chart. Actually Solana has a bearish divergence, but market is going up and collect the liquidity, and market is coming down. So next data chart. Uh, data chart can we support this level. Next link chart. Actually I have a trade, real trade Tron USDT chart. I got this trade and I put the stop loss this lower week, and I took the take profit 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. And actually, why I was put this trade, because uh, there is a bearish wedge pattern, and this wedge pattern has 1 2 3 4 5 5 and 5 touch points, and market is break the 6 point, and there is a minor key level, and this area has a minor key level, and you can see a bullish candlestick pattern. There is a hammer candlestick pattern. This is a hammer candlestick pattern. So therefore I got this trade, and I hope this trade will go into profit. So now you can enter this trade. Now this trade is my entry point now. So thank you watch my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Comment below. Thank you.